are making a lightened up ranch dressing. Salad dressings can be deceiving. Most people choose a salad in order to make a healthier choice, right? But often, unknowingly, salad dressings from restaurants or from the store can almost sabotage those health efforts because they have high fat or high sugar content, or maybe they're made with less ideal ingredients like oils or preservatives. Now, I'm not gonna discourage you from eating a salad dressing from a restaurant or a store. In fact, because I myself struggle to eat raw vegetables, I find it's worth it for me often to eat a store-bought or restaurant dressing so that I will actually eat the greens. But that is why it's so important for each of us to acknowledge our own path, acknowledge where we are, and understand our intentions with choosing healthy foods. So if my intention is to eat more vegetables, then salad dressing from the store could help me out with that. If my intention is to consume less calories and fat, because that's aligned with my current health goals at the time, then some salad dressings may prevent me from meeting that intention if I'm not aware of what's in it. So lightening up means something different to everyone. Today, it could mean making your own ranch and becoming more aware of ingredients and nutrition, but it also could mean lightening up on yourself and removing any judgment about using a store-bought salad dressing or getting something from a restaurant. I have found that long-term growth and change stems from the strength to acknowledge with compassion that we are not perfect. And actually, our health doesn't require that we be perfect either. It requires actually that we not beat ourselves up so much. Because if we do, if we're beating ourselves up, we increase our stress, which is really what impacts our health negatively. Now, before we get started with the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos all month long. So I'm gonna start by making a ranch seasoning. It's so simple. In a bowl, combine dry parsley, dried dill, garlic powder, dried minced onion, dried chives, salt, and pepper. Mix to combine, and that's it. You've got your own ranch seasoning right there. You can use it as a dry rub. You can use it to season roast veggies and give them a ranch flavor. It is really versatile and delicious, and I like to keep this in my pantry ready to go. Now, you can also use this seasoning mix base to make a DIY ranch packet. You know those ranch packets from the store that make the delicious ranch dip or dressing? So all you have to do is combine your ranch seasoning with some dried buttermilk powder, and voila, a DIY homemade ranch packet with no added sugar, no preservatives. I have linked all the details of these recipes and ingredient amounts below in the description, by the way. Okay, so now that we've made the ranch seasoning and a DIY ranch packet, let's make the dressing. So in a bowl, combine buttermilk, mayo. I like to use my homemade avocado oil mayonnaise, but you can use any that you prefer. Plain yogurt, a squeeze of lemon juice, and that basic ranch seasoning. Not the DIY packet version, just the mix of spices. And mix everything to combine, and that's it. You've got a delicious DIY lightened up ranch dressing with no added sugar, and you are in full control of the ingredients and nutrition. This ranch dressing is creamy and tangy and rich without being too heavy. It has such a wonderful fresh flavor from the lemon juice and the homemade seasonings. Delicious! I love this homemade dressing, but sometimes lightening up means giving myself permission to grab a bottle of the store-bought stuff. Each of us is on a different path. Our choices can look different moment to moment. And know that wherever you are in this moment, you're fine. You're enough, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I will see you Monday for the next Lighten Up episode. You don't want to miss it. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.